Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Dileep Kumar.M Narasaiah, presently working as a Communication and IT Officer in Center for Disaster Management, Administrative Training Institute, Mysore. I am feeling very happy to wish and congratulate all the faculty members, students, research scholars, staff and alumni of the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, University of Mysore on the occasion of Golden Jubilee Celebration. I was there in the department for 8 years. I have lot of good memories and experience as a student in 2010 to 2012, as a research scholar during 2013 to 2017, and I worked as a guest faculty in 2017-18 academic year. While undergoing the post-graduation and during my research, I cherished the feeling of studying at the department, which focused on career enhancement along with the skill development, with a seamless mix of both academics and practical activities. Professor B.P. Mahesh Chandraguru, Professor N. Usharani, Professor C.K. Puttaswamy, Professor Niranjan Vanalli, Professor M.S. Sapna, Professor N. Mamta, and Srinath Arasar, they all taught us, and they were all dedicated experts with their respective subjects, and they were genuinely caring us all the time. I would always be grateful to the department for giving me a multidimensional learning by providing apt mix of academics, exposure and leadership. I must say that the department has nurtured my dreams and laid the foundations to realize those aspirations. On behalf of my batchmates, I extend my warm regards to my department, which has immensely helped us to succeed in life. Thank you so much and all the very best. Thank you.